First up on our fitness fiesta, warming up. Think of it like revving up your engine before hitting the open road on a sunny day. A fantastic warm-up routine sends your heart rate skyrocketing, turns your muscles into flexible rubber bands, and gets your body all set for an exhilarating workout. Miss out on this essential pre-workout party and you're inviting trouble, not to mention making your workout less effective. So let's get those muscles warmed up and ready to dance. Next stop, the equipment. Think of it as a shared toy box. Let's play nice and clean up after ourselves. Wiping it down after use is like a small gift of kindness to the next user. Plus, it keeps our shared space sparkly clean. And don't forget, hoarding toys or, well, equipment is a no-no. If someone else has their eye on it, finish your turn and pass it on. It's not only polite, it's also a great excuse to take a breather before your next round. And now let's chit-chat about rest. It's not just for superheroes, it's a must-have for all of us. No need to burn the candle at ends. Listen to your body. It needs its beauty sleep between workouts. This isn't just sleep. It's the magical time when mend and bulk up. It's your secret weapon against injuries and your ticket to steady progress. So remember to make rest your best friend. Now, let's have a jolly chat about form. It's not about how many monstrous weights you can hoist. It's about how dazzlingly you can do it. Form isn't just a gym lingo. It's an art. Wobbly form can invite those pesky injuries and put a dent in your progress. But, hey, no worries. Don't be shy to tap a trainer or your gym buddy for some assistance. You're not just lifting weights, you're lifting spirits. And finally, a note on personal space. The gym is not just a public place, it's like a festival where everyone has their own dance floor. So avoid becoming the uninvited guest on someone else's stage while they're grooving to their workout. It may lead to a tumble, and we wouldn't want that, would we now? It's more fun and safe this way. So what's the secret to a successful gym adventure? Well, it's a dash of a warm-up routine, a sprinkle of respect for shared gym toys, a ladle full of adequate rest, a pinch of correct form, and a generous helping of respect for personal space. Master these ingredients of gym etiquette and safety, and you'll soon find gym as comfy as your favorite pajamas. It's a place where the day's grumbles turn into giggles, replaced by a feeling of accomplishment and the sweet, sweet tingle of a good workout. Don't forget, the gym isn't a battlefield, it's more like a fun-filled carnival. It's a community of health freaks all striving to get and healthier. So let's all do our part to keep it a fun, safe, and an inviting place to be. Enjoy your workout, folks.